Hi everyone, if you are finding this content helpful and want to dive deeper into the course, make sure to check out the entire course available on Udemy. By purchasing the course, you will get access to the course content, downloadable resources, and exclusive material to help you master developing this app using Flutter and Firebase. The link is in the description below. Now let's write some logic so that the driver can go online and can go offline. So going online means the driver will receive push notification for collecting food and delivering it. And if the driver is offline, the driver won't get any kind of push notification. So we will head over to services of Uber Eats driver application. Here we will add a new folder naming it GeoFire services. And inside of it, we will go with a new file naming it GeoFire services dot class GeoFire services. And inside of it, we will first go with a database reference. So static database reference equals Firebase database dot instance dot ref dot child, and here we have to initialize the child. So we'll go to profile services and let's copy this child. Come back here and paste this child here. We have to import the constants folder, constants file, and after this we will add a slash, and here we have to go with the parameter which we want to update. So we want to update the driver status parameter. We will go and paste the driver status and add a semicolon at last. Now press enter. We will go with a function that is going to be static go online. Here this function is going to be asynchronous. At first we will fetch the driver's location. So we'll go with position current position equals await location services dot get current location. So we have got the current location. Now we will go with GeoFire dot initialize online drivers. We have initialized, and now it's time we set the location. So we'll go with GeoFire dot set location we have to remove this. We'll go with set location. Here we have to go with ID, latitude, and longitude. So the ID is going to be this one, that is user ID. We will paste here. Latitude is going to be current position dot latitude, and longitude it's going to be current position dot longitude. And at last we have to add a semicolon. Now the next thing which we want to trigger is that we will go with database reference dot set, and it's going to be online. And here we'll go with database reference dot on value dot listen. The next function which we want to trigger is going offline. So suppose the driver is done for today and now he wants to go offline. So we'll go with static go offline. Here we'll go with QFire dot remove location, and here we have to pass the ID. So it's going to be auth current user QID, and then we will go with database reference dot set offline, and we'll go with database reference dot on disconnect. Now let's save it, and here if we trigger this, we will go online. If we trigger this one, we will go offline. Now we will copy this database reference and go to the home screen. Here we'll go to the top and paste this database reference. So let's import this, and let's import the auth. And from here we want to remove this driver status thing. Here we do have this swipe button. So instead of this swipe button, we want to go with a child that is going to be stream builder. And the builder, we will go with context comma event, and we also have to pass a stream here. Let's go with database reference dot on value. It's going to be our stream. So database reference is this one which we have initialized just now. We will scroll down here, and now it's time that we write some logics for the event thing. So first we will check if it's in connection state or not. If we will check if event dot connection state equals connection state dot waiting, then we want to return something. Now another thing which we want to go with is that if event dot data not equals null, then return something. So if it's not null, then we want to convert the data to our profile driver profile model. So we will go with driver model driver data equals driver model dot from map, and here we will go with this line of code. So we have to import dot convert, and at last we have to go with a semicolon. So basically we are going with JSON decode, JSON encode, and this is the line of codes which we have added now. Okay, nothing much. So we have converted the data to driver data model. Now it's time that we go with some checks. So we'll go with if driver data dot driver status equals online, then return something, else return something. So we will just cut this swipe button, and here we will go with return swipe button, and if it's online we want to go with the text as done for today, and if the driver is not online we want to return the same swipe button, but here the text is going to be go online, and here we'll go with a semicolon. Now this says that it's returning null, or you can say it's not returning. So here we'll go with return circular progress indicator, color is going to be black, and we will wrap this circular progress indicator with a center. We will copy the same thing
And after this if and else, after this if, we will return this one, and it's good now. So if we are online, we want to go offline, so we'll go with GeoFire services dot go offline. And if we are offline, then we want to go online, so we will go with GeoFire services dot go online. Now let's restart the application and test it out. And we have restarted our application. Now since we don't have data here, it says go online. So if we just swipe this button, it updates. Here we do have online drivers, and it shows the latitude and longitude. Now if we just trigger this again, it deletes the online drivers, like it deletes this driver data from the database.
Hi everyone, if you are finding this content helpful and want to dive deeper into the course, make sure to check out the entire course available on Udemy. By purchasing the course, you will get access to the course content, downloadable resources, and exclusive material to help you master developing this app using Flutter and Firebase. The link is in the description below.